Alright everyone, welcome back to Fix Zone. Today we're tackling a problem many of you have asked about: how to watch UK Netflix on your Mac. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. First things first, you're going to need a VPN. A VPN will allow you to change your virtual location and access content from different regions. So, open up your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome for this tutorial, as I found it works more reliably than Safari with Netflix, but feel free to use your preferred browser. Now, search for a VPN. For this guide, we're going to use IPVanish. You can find a link to IPVanish with a special discount in the description below and in the pinned comment. Click that link to head over to their site. Once you're on the IPVanish website, hover over Apps in the top navigation bar and click Mac. On the Mac download page, click Download App. Choose where you want to save the installer. I'm putting mine on the desktop. Once the download is complete, open the installer. Drag and drop the IPVanish logo into the Applications folder. This might take a few seconds depending on your Mac speed. After it's installed, you can close the installer window and even delete the installer file from your desktop if you want to keep things tidy. Now, let's open IPVanish. I'm going to launch it through Launchpad. Because this is the first time we're opening it, you'll probably get a prompt asking if you want to open it. Click Open. You'll be taken to the IPVanish login screen. Enter your account details. If you don't have an IPVanish account yet, remember to use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a sweet discount. The first time you log in, you'll be prompted to create a VPN configuration. Just click Allow. Now you can start using the VPN. But remember, our goal is to access UK Netflix. So before you connect to the VPN, open your web browser and go to Netflix. Sign into your account and choose your profile. Once you're signed into Netflix, you can close the browser for now. Go back to IPVanish. In the left-hand menu, click Locations. Now, you'll see a list of servers. Find the United Kingdom and select a UK server. You want to connect to the server with the lowest load. In my case, it's London with 11%. Click to connect. After a few seconds, you'll be successfully connected to the UK server. It's like you're browsing the internet from the UK. Now, minimize IPVanish and go back to your Netflix tab in your browser. All you need to do now is refresh the page. Voila! You should now be browsing the UK version of Netflix. If you scroll down, you should see Top 10 TV programs in the UK today. Just select a TV show and start watching just like you normally would. And that's it. Remember to click the link in the description or the pinned comment to get yourself an exclusive discount on your IPVanish account. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Thanks for watching Fix Zone. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tricks.